what I tell people when they say, oh, how's Rock Health, is I say, there's just an extraordinary high frequency of very, very good people that are coming through these doors that you get to talk to. And there's no way that doesn't create enormous value. There's a number of relationships that have been very beneficial to the company. Some of the Rock Health partners that we've been able to develop partnerships, or discussions about developing partnerships, have really progressed the company, progressed what we've been able to achieve, what we've been able to understand our business state, as well as kind of the investors and advisors that have come through. Some of who have become investors in us, some of who provide valuable advice to us. All of whom, I would say, have been collated in a way that's been very valuable. So one thing a conversation I remember very clearly was this term in some of the business discussions we had, Pill Plus, was coming out, and I realized that we didn't quite understand how that fit into things. So I asked for a meeting with Palley, who's the Chief Strategy Officer, and he gave me this brilliant 45-minute breakdown of how Pill Plus fits into the industry and how the opportunities of how we should think about how that fits in, and that was extremely useful in terms of everything we did going forward. And what his advice provided was really helping us lay out and understand, here's all the people in the ecosystem, and it's a complex ecosystem where the person with the money is not necessarily the person with the medical need, isn't necessarily the decision maker. You've got all these people with different motivations, and understanding, what are their motivations, what are they motivated by, and then thinking about, our offering, our product, the change that we want to bring about, how can we position it in a way that will potentially get the buy-in of all these different stakeholders. DeFi. And this company's at all different stages, and certainly in my conversations with my fellow entrepreneurs, everyone has benefited substantially from being a part of Rock Health.